professional guide to AC gas charging and pressure checking. Welcome to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a very important and practical topic: how to check AC refrigerant pressure and how to charge gas safely in a split air conditioner. This guide is especially useful for beginners and HVAC technicians. But remember, safety is very important while working with AC systems. Introduction. An air conditioner works by using refrigerant gas to absorb and release heat. If the gas level is low or pressure is incorrect, the AC will not cool properly. That is why checking pressure and charging refrigerant correctly is very important for proper performance and long life of the system. Safety first. Before starting any work, always follow safety rules. Always wear safety goggles and insulated gloves to protect yourself from refrigerant burns. Make sure to turn off the power of the AC unit before connecting any tools. Check the refrigerant type written on the AC label, such as R22, R410A, or R32. Never mix different gases. Work in a well-ventilated area and never work near open flames, because refrigerant can become dangerous at high temperatures. Tools required. To perform this job, you need some basic tools. You will need a manifold gauge set with blue, red, and yellow hoses, a refrigerant cylinder of the correct type, an adjustable wrench, and a leak detector or a simple soap water solution to check leakage. Now let's understand how to check AC pressure. First, locate the service ports on the outdoor unit. The larger pipe is the low pressure side, and the smaller pipe is the high pressure side. Connect the blue hose to the low pressure port and the red hose to the high pressure port. Make sure the connections are tight. Now turn on the AC and set it to cooling mode. Let the system run for about 10 to 15 minutes so the pressure becomes stable. After that, read the gauges. For R22 systems, the low side pressure is usually around 60 to 70 psi. For R410A systems, it is around 110 to 125 psi. If the pressure is lower than normal, it may indicate low gas or leakage in the system. How to charge AC gas. Before charging gas, make sure there is no leakage. Never charge gas into a leaking system. Now connect the yellow hose from the manifold gauge to the refrigerant cylinder. Next, purge the air from the hose. Slightly open the cylinder valve for 1 to 2 seconds, and then close it. This removes air from the line. Now turn on the AC again. Slowly open the low pressure valve, blue valve, on the manifold. Gas will start entering the system. Always charge gas slowly and in small amounts. Check the pressure again and again. Do not overcharge the system. Too much gas can damage the compressor and reduce performance. Once the correct pressure is reached, close the cylinder valve and then close the manifold valves. Finally, disconnect the hoses carefully and close the service ports. Common mistakes to avoid. Never charge liquid refrigerant into the low pressure side while the compressor is running. Never use oxygen for pressure testing because it can cause an explosion. If you smell a strong chemical smell, stop immediately and leave the area. Always avoid overcharging because it can damage the entire system. Conclusion. So in simple words, checking AC pressure and charging gas is a very important skill, but it must be done carefully and safely. Always follow proper steps, use correct tools, and never ignore safety rules. If you are not confident, it is always better to call a professional technician.